September 26, 2012. I'm just down from Toucans over on Mexico Beach. You can see where I started sampling that distinct line running through this little sand cliff. I followed it all the way down to the end where I've noticed this really dark discoloration in the sand. So I went ahead and took the lid here, and see if I can get it to do here. I just wanted to see how far this goes back. You can see this line running right through here. This is what follows all the way down. And this is recent. Because here, this is only maybe 4 or 5 inches to the top sand. And here's that line that I was talking about. But I will go ahead and try to get some samples of this stuff. There's Toucans. I'm going to go ahead and go from the left counterclockwise around so we can get a good view of the Gulf as well. This is as many seagulls as I've seen in one area in a long time. But a lot of these birds I'm noticing just don't look very well. They have not seemed to pay me any attention. I could just about walk right up to them. And if they're eating this weed line, I wouldn't doubt that they're sick. There's not a lot of sargassum on the beach to have created that very distinct line, in my opinion. I'm going to show you what I do see of seaweed over here. I'm walking up the beach now. And I have yet to check out this weed line to see what might be mixed in with it. So, and back around to the birds.